How to get faster mobile data speed when you just change a simple settings. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can solve this issue and get faster mobile data speed. So let's just get started with the video without any delay. So in order to quickly boost your mobile data speed is simply going to your settings first and heading over to the connections. After that, go to the mobile network section or this data uses. And if you have this option on, this one right here, which says data saver or low data mode in the settings, you just need to go ahead and turn it off, because this feature often restricts data users to save battery but can also significantly slow down your connection speed. So you can go ahead and do that. Otherwise, sometimes a simply reboot can refresh your network connection. So go ahead and restart your device. Long press on the power button. You can find this restart option on the screen. Just go ahead and tap on it, and also ensure that you are in an area with good signal strength. And then the next thing you can do is go ahead and turn on this airplane mode, and again turn it off. That can sometimes help reestablish your connections. Also, if there is any kind of app running in the background, make sure they are all closed, because they can consume the data and slow down your connections. And that is it. So for now, these are some simple settings you can follow up in order to get you faster mobile data. Get speed on your mobile data. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.